Guys, I'm out here with my ECX circuit. I'm gonna run a couple bone stock laps with it. It's still just like it came out of the box, except for that servo I had to change. I haven't run this thing since my budget basher showdown thing, which it did pretty well in. I got these new pivot head sunglasses so I can follow it with my camera rather than just setting my camera somewhere and letting you guys watch the truck drive by. I'm going to film a few laps like this. Then I've got one of those 15-turn upgrade motors to throw in it, and I'll do this again, and hopefully you'll be able to see some difference. First time I've seen my track in a week, and I've been working out of town a lot. Oop. Track's rougher than shit. My driving matches it almost perfectly. Oh boy. Whoops. Don't mind my pile of shit over there. We still have a burn ban here in New York. I've only managed to illegally have one bonfire so far. These glasses, I have to train myself to like sit still, stop moving around so much. Shit. And you didn't believe me when I said I drive like shit. A little slick up in that corner. I really got to add some dirt to that corner of that tabletop. Ooh, Jesus Christ. I guess that's enough of that. We'll go switch that motor and try it again. Have to be another day though, because I got to go to work right now. Well, I took the circuit in the house this morning. I did that 15 turn upgrade motor, and while I had it under the knife, I took the rear shocks off and refilled them with 70 weight oil, changed the mounting locations, and adjusted the preload a little bit. I'm trying to get rid of some of that real nasty chassis slap this thing's got. It still needs some front suspension work. I didn't bother taking the front shocks off yet because I wanted to get out here and I have very limited time this morning. Right now I'm doing a really half-ass break-in on that new motor, just trying to get the bearing seated before I add dirt and shit to the equation. I'll let it do that for a minute or two and then we're going to run her. Okay, same truck, same battery, 15 turn upgrade motor. Same shitty driver. Ah, come on. Driver to track is fucking terrible. There's a bit of a frost this morning, so it's slippery. Whoops. Boy, I hope I catch that video when that glass gets broken in that door. I just put them things there to keep the moisture off the side of my shed. Shit. Oh, come on. Boy, my shock adjustments made a huge difference. I don't know if you can see it as much as I can, but whoop. Shit. Oh. If I had a track maintenance crew, I'd fire the sons of bitches. I think I got rid of most of that chassis slap though. That makes me happy. Whoops. Well, might be slapping a little bit. That's way better than it was, though. If I just stand here, I don't have to keep walking back over here to flip the fucking thing back over. Oh my god. God damn it. The weird lighting down here is not helping me any. Stupid motherfucker. Not sure why it keeps jumping that way. I'm going to get rid of some more of that bounciness in the front end. We'll be in good shape with this truck. It might help me to even move the battery spacer to the back to get the weight forward a little bit too. Oh. Whoop, whoop. No, stupid. Ah, don't make me walk. Oh! And the durability test continues. Whoa! Oh, stupid fucker. I get that shit burnt so I can widen my front straightaway. A little freestyle here. The hell with laps.